In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove details in Getresponse emails footer. When you send emails through Getresponse, you may notice a small Getresponse badge or branding line in the footer area. If you are using a paid plan, Getresponse allows you to turn that badge off from your account settings. This helps your emails look cleaner and more consistent with your own brand. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Getresponse account and you are on the main dashboard. Then look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile area, which may appear as a small icon, your initials, or your display name. Click that profile area to open the account menu. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Manage Account. This takes you to the section where Getresponse keeps your account level settings, separate from your email editor or campaign pages. If your screen layout looks slightly different, stay focused on the wording. You are looking for the option that leads to your account management settings. Once you are in the Manage Account area, move to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar contains different settings categories. Find and click the option labeled Getresponse Badge. This is the specific setting that controls whether Getresponse branding appears in your email footer. After you open the Getresponse Badge settings, you will see a toggle switch. Toggle that switch to OFF. When it is off, the switch will turn gray. That gray, off state is the visual confirmation that the badge display has been disabled. It is important to note that this option is available for paid accounts. If you are using a free plan, you may not be able to turn the badge off, and the toggle may be locked or unavailable. In that case, you would need to upgrade your plan to remove the Getresponse branding. After you switch it off, your future emails should no longer include the Getresponse badge in the footer. If you already have drafts, you may want to refresh the editor or double-check a preview to confirm the footer looks the way you expect. And that is all there is to it.